We cooking oxtails. Oxtails. Gonna start off with about 3 pounds of clean oxtails. Gonna add some black pepper along with some oxtail seasonings. You can add any seasonings you like. Get that all incorporated in with that meat. Now I'm gonna add some allspice berries. You can use ground allspice if you don't have the berries, along with some browning. The browning is to add a little coloring to the meat, make it a little darker. Mix that all in. Look at that. See what that browning does to it? Now we got the pot heated up with some oil, and I'm adding a little bit of light brown sugar. The light brown sugar isn't to make it sweet. It's for texture and also coloring, like caramelize. Now we want to brown the oxtails about a good 6 minutes. Go ahead and make sure you get that all browned. Now I'm adding in a cup of beef broth along with 2 cups of water. Put that lid on, let it cook for about 2 hours. Now I'm adding a little bit more seasoning because I added more water to the pot. Now it's time to add the veggies. I'm using bell peppers and onions. I would normally add a Scotch bonnet pepper, but the kids say it's too spicy. Follow that up with a little bit of ketchup. Ketchup not going to make it sweet. With some butter beans out the can. Make sure you drain that can of butter beans. Mix that all in. Put the lid back on. Let that cook for about 10 minutes and add your cornstarch slurry. Stir that in. Give it another 10 minutes. No peeking. 10 minutes later, delicious, tender, juicy oxtails. Look at that meat. It's so tender. We got some rice along with some plantains. Oxtail dinner. On a Thursday night. Can't go wrong. Subscribe if you like what you see. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Look at that. Look at them plantains. Look at that oxtails. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share.